Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and with the another tutorial. And this tutorial is all about the text area, progress bar, and button and input, which you can hear and understand what they are. And this is all about that, and all the awesome stuff. So first, we're gonna go with the text area. So text area, just type that. We don't gonna need any name. That will be a waste. And inside that, it would be pre-values, which you're gonna put like anything you can put. But what I'm gonna put, it's lorem. So yeah, when you see that, it's here. You can change, repeat anything you want. You can you can click on the side. There is something like this. You can click and you can do anything you want. And now there's a next thing we're gonna do is progress bar. You all have seen progress bar, like what we call something like we've seen many times for now, for downloading in progress, and data validation in progress, like that you've seen in before. So we're gonna create a progress bar like downloading in progress. And now what we're gonna do is create that progress bar, and we need to put a value like 22 out of what 100. So yeah, you can see the downloading in progress. You can increase by changing this. You can increase with the JavaScript engine. Not gonna do that because I have a whole bunch of tutorials on that. Now the next thing is the input. So everyone have seen input. In the Facebook you need to pass the username and password. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna give a br. So br, and in the username, after that what I'm gonna do is do the input. So input, and type will be text, and name, just give it username. Is just for your reference. And value, it would be pre-value, which will be inside that. So make a, and next is just put it br here, and then password, you know and just give the input, another input, it would be password. So it won't see if someone is beside you or something, and it would be password. And value, you can put anything, doesn't matter, because you won't see that because it's a password. And the last is input type will be submit. It works as a button, and there is a HTML5, there is a button to another thing called button, but I will getting in a minute. And the you can name it submit. No, I'm not gonna put any name. If you want, you can remove this attributes, it doesn't matter. I already told that, but still I'm gonna say that again. And submit, because you need to put a value because you can't see what its name. So the moment we do here, you can see. Now you're gonna say, I see in the Facebook that you type username here, it was username, and when you click it, it automatically removes. So how are we gonna do that? Saw light. So first thing you need to do, you need to kick out the value from here and from here too. And instead of that, we're gonna use placeholders. So placeholder username, and here placeholder will be password. The good thing is about this is you can also see the password written here, which is not in the value. So just click on the username, you can see fraud, and in the password something like, you can't see what my password, right? And just you need to put submit and it will be work. You won't see it any way working because you know it's not binded with the JavaScript. So if you want to learn it, you can go. I have a full bunch of tutorials on those. Just go to my playlist. And now you don't like the submit button, right? I know. So you can use buttons in there are lots of varieties of buttons. So first remove those, and this is the our last topic of today's video. Type will be button and name is button, and what should be written inside that would be your choice. So click me, and when you do that it feels like a real button. That's the good thing, you know. And we can do one more thing. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set on click event. I have a total click events on the HTML. I have a total tutorial over this, so you can, if you want, and you can check those out. It's all up to you. Alert, and you know it's a JavaScript method. If you don't know what JavaScript is, I mean you know what JavaScript would be, right? Because you are learning front end. But if you want to know how it works, just go to my channel. It's totally there. It's full of there, you know. So world, hello world. So if you click that, you can see, but you don't need hello world. So you can do that like success, 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 and something like shard and password, and click me success, you know. Oh, spelling is wrong, but you get the point, right? So hope you guys understand this video, and the after this video it would be the last beginner series. So see you guys on that.